Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you 2 easy ways to watch HBO Max on your Roku device. Whether you're a new Roku user or you've had your device for a while, this guide will help you enjoy all your favorite HBO Max content. Let's get started. Method 1. Install HBO Max app on Roku. Turn on your Roku device. Begin by powering on your Roku TV or streaming device. Make sure it's connected to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Navigate to the Roku home screen using your Roku remote. Press the home button to bring up the main screen. Go to the Roku channel store, scroll down to the Streaming Channels option on the left side of the screen, and select it to open the Roku channel store. Search for HBO Max in the channel store. Select the Search Channels option. Type in HBO Max using your remote, and select the HBO Max app when it appears in the search results. Install the HBO Max app. Select the Add Channel option to install the HBO Max app. The app will begin downloading and will be added to your Roku home screen once the installation is complete. Open the HBO Max app, go back to the home screen, and find the HBO Max icon. Select it to open the app. Sign in to HBO Max. If you already have an HBO Max account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly through the app by selecting the Sign Up option. Start watching. After logging in, you'll have access to all of HBO Max's content. Browse through movies, TV shows, and more, and start streaming right away. Method 2. Screen mirroring HBO Max from your smartphone or tablet. If you don't want to install the HBO Max app on Roku, or if the app isn't available in your region, you can use screen mirroring to cast HBO Max content from your smartphone or tablet to your Roku device. Check device compatibility before you begin. Make sure your smartphone or tablet supports screen mirroring, and that your Roku device has screen mirroring enabled. To do this, go to Roku's Settings. Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and select Enable Screen Mirroring. Connect your devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure both your smartphone or tablet and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the mirroring process to work. Open the HBO Max app on your smartphone or tablet. Launch the HBO Max app on your mobile device and sign in with your account. Start screen mirroring on your smartphone or tablet. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Look for this Screen Mirroring, Cast, or Smart View option. The name may vary depending on your device. Tap on it and select your Roku device from the list of available devices. Play content on HBO Max once your device is connected to Roku via screen mirroring. You'll see your mobile screen mirrored on your TV. Now, just play any movie or show on HBO Max, and it will display on your TV. That's it. These are the 2 easiest ways to watch HBO Max on your Roku device. Whether you prefer to install the app directly or use screen mirroring, both methods will let you enjoy all the content HBO Max has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.